Hey everybody, I'm Fanfiction Madness. Using One Piece Fanfiction Devilfoot Edition. If you've already read in the description, this is about my own made-up Devilfoot for the One Piece universe. This Devilfoot, I made it last year, but I'm just now posting it, so I hope you don't hate it. And if you want me to make more custom-made Devilfoots, then just send me in the comments. I'm going to be trying to make a lot more videos. Okay, so the Devilfoot I created was the Inner Enemy Model Boogeyman. Type Mythical Zoan classification Paramecia like special properties. Saturn Fear. Recorded epithet The Immortal Man. World Government Anomalous Devilfoot Division. Extreme Mythical Class Conceptual Existence. So to make it so, I did use AI to ChatGPT to create it because you know sometimes people struggle to find the words to create it, so I only put in a little bit of it, a little bit of my own idea, some of my own ideas into the story and description of the Devilfoot. Please don't write it. See, overview: the Inner Enemy Model Boogeyman is a mythical Zoan type Devilfoot that grants the user the power to embody the archetypical Boogeyman, a legendary being associated with darkness, fear, shadow, immortality. Unlike standard Zoan fruits, this model exhibits conceptual persistence, allowing the user to exist partially as an idea rooted in fear rather than as purely physical organism. This fruit is regarded as one of the rarest and most dangerous Zoans ever recorded due to its regenerative immortality, shadow-based physiologically, and unprecedented resistance to the Devilfoot Seekers under specific conditions. Physiologically and transformation, psychological and transformation. As a mythical Zoan fruit, this fruit grants three primary forms: the base form. The user retains a human appearance with subtle shadow abnormalities such as pristine dark aura, altered eye color, and shadow movement independent of light sources. Are partial manifestations combining human structure with elongated limbs, animated shadow cloaks, and enhanced darkness manipulation. Full beast form the Boogeyman, a massive light-absorbing entity composed almost entirely of living darkness, capable of altering its shape to reflect the fears of surrounding targets. In all transformation states, the user's body is composed of shadow flesh, infused flesh, granting enhanced physical capabilities and advanced shape-shifting properties. Immortality in existence. A defining trait of this fruit is its immortality mechanism, officially termed abyssal existence. The user does not age and is immune to natural decay. Physical destruction, including disintegration, does not result in permanent death. The body can regenerate instantly by reform from nearby shadows or darkness-rich environments. The immortality is sustained by dual mind structure, a physical brain governing bodily function, a secondary shadow brain embodied within the shadow darkness. The structure of one does not incapacitate the user. The remaining mind reconstructs the body autonomously. Additionally, the user's soul is anchored to an extra-dimensional darkness plane, making it resistant to spiritual erasure, sealing, or forced extraction. Shadow and darkness manipulation. The fruit grants absolute control over shadow and darkness, including, as you know, shadow manipulation, darkness manipulation. If you read web novels and seen this stuff before, you know what it means, but I'm still going to read it. And the reason why I made this fruit OP is because I'm fan fiction madness. It's supposed to be mad. It's supposed to be fiction and fan fiction. Get it? So it doesn't matter how I go at the devil fruit. It just gotta be mad. It's just gotta be madness. But next time, if you want me to create the devil fruit while recording, or like right now, already created it and explain everything, or should I just create it while recording? It's your choice. Partial or complete transformation into tangible shadow form, phase movement to solid matter, travel to connected shadows across terrain, creation of solid shadow construction such as weapons or appendages. Dark environment dramatically enhances all physical and regenerative capabilities, while total darkness represents peak performance. Fear-based phenomenon. Fear is both a weapon and power source for the user. The user can manifest physiology as the deepest fear perceived within a darker subconsciousness. Fear weakens enemy morale, destabilizes focus, and reduces resistance to damage. Fear generated by the enemy is absorbed and converted into increased strength, regeneration, speed, shadow density, and arc output. A passive darkness presence surrounds the user, including fear, confusion, psychological stress. Those with weak willpower may be immobilized, while even strong-willed opponents report oppressive sensation. Interaction with Haki. Despite its conceptual in nature, the fruit remains fully compatible with Haki, can harden shadow flash and constructions beyond conventional durability, enhanced through shadow perceptions, allowing emotional sensing, fear detection. However, fear-indicated illusions can interfere with subconsciousness perception. Conquerors Haki. Sorry, I forgot to say Armland Haki, Ganaden Shadow, sorry, Observes Haki, Conquers Haki. Synergies directly with fear, amplifying intimidation effects, extending influence and range, and overwhelming weaker wills instantly. See resistance anomaly. Unlike all known Devilfruits, the inner anomaly possesses limited countermeasures against the Seekers. Documented mechanism included abyssal merge, temporary fusion of shadow body with dark seawater, allowing limited underwater movement with significant reduced paralysis. Curse erosion, short duration, absorption of the sea's weakening effect into darkness, prevented sinking, preserving archaeology. VOC, a rare state triggered in deep ocean where surrounding field enables full underwater mobility and enhanced sensory awareness, even rivaling sea kings. These effects are temporary and oppose heavy recovery periods, preventing continuous use. Awakening. Endless dust. Upon awakening, the user becomes focal point of living abyss zone. Shadow in area gain autonomous movement. Multiple shadow bodies may form or simultaneously attack. Enemy perception slows dramatically, observes anarchy. Effectiveness is severely reduced. Regeneration becomes effectively instantaneous. The state represents a full realization of the boogeyman concept, a region where darkness, fear, and shadow exist under single will. Historical notes. To this conceptual immortality in resistance to standard containment, the world government has classified the enemy as a prohibited research subject. All known dev are fragmented, and fruits current status officially listed as unconfirmed. Now, we've already read through it, so I'm just gonna say this. If you want me to continue by creating a user for this dev comment below all you want, because I'm going to make this as a class, immortal class. I'm going to make this uh, the thing is the devil's name is already the inner enemy immortal boogeyman. So I'm going to make it as a immortal class type. I'm going to make more immortal class types such as saintly angel or something like that. But comment below if I should make classes for the devils that I'm created, or next time should I do a Naruto Jutsu creation, Fuinjutsu, Genjutsu, or should I next time should I do Dragon Ball? Choose which anime should I do next and what power should I explain or abilities should I enhance? Because we're all about madness. We gotta make the abilities crazy overpowered for even devers. Though I didn't like adding weaknesses, but still it follows logic, and I'm trying to follow logic in this whole fan fiction even though it has madness in it. Signing off, madness. Bye bye. See you later, fans. Or users should I add a law to it? As you can see, ChatGPT asked me place the food in Pacific area void current timeline and tie it to a law. Should I or should I not create a user and law for this their food? almost like a fan fiction novel. I also write fan fiction novels. If you want, I'm on web novel. My name is Alexander. I've only written two fan fictions, and I haven't really done much on them as I did it for fun. But if you wanna read them, I could update them. Comment below so I should update them. You can even send me messages on web novel. Thank you.